Jump search. A searching algorithm for sorted arrays that searches faster than linear search. Instead of linearly searching, it searches by skipping some steps to make the process even faster. First we define step. Let's say 2. So, it'll skip 2 indices every time. We want to search for 34 in the array. It'll search like this. It'll keep searching until the target is smaller than current number. Like when it reaches to 55. Target 34 is smaller than 55. So, it'll stop approaching forward. Go to the previous step, which was 29. And we'll start a linear search from 29 until 34. If it goes beyond 34 then it'll stop saying item doesn't exist. But, in our case we've found target 34. So, the function will return the position of 34. Now, we will see how to implement this algorithm in Python. But, if you want to learn about other data structures and algorithms then hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. We have this array of sorted integers. We want to find out the position of 56 in the array by performing jump search. Now define a function that takes 3 parameters. Define a variable, step. The algorithm will skip this step every time. For instance, if the step is 2 then it'll skip 2 items and go to the third item. The last index is the index of the item the algorithm explored. And now this while loop will run as long as the explored item is less than the target. The while loop will stop if the next item is bigger than target. The step will keep increasing by square root of length. If the index go beyond array length, that means target does not exist in the array. Because target is bigger than all items in the array. So, the function will return -1 which means target couldn't be found in the array. Otherwise, it'll perform a linear search from the last index. The last index is the index of the last explored item which is not bigger than target. So, target may be after this item. So, it'll perform a linear search from this item to that item which is smaller than target. Unlike previous, this time it will increase by 1. Because it's performing a linear search here. If element is found at the last index then it'll return the index. Otherwise, -1. Now, open a terminal to run the code. Notice, our target is 55 which exists inside array. Try items that doesn't exist. -1 means doesn't exists. Time complexity or speed of jump search algorithm is between linear search and binary search. It's big O of square root of n. If you want to know more about data structures and algorithms then like and subscribe to CodeTuber.